Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today, I am going to be showing you guys how to remove your hard drive in your PC. And so the reason why I'm doing that with this PC is because I'm replacing it because this PC is super slow. And most of the time, replacing your drive fixes that slowness. So first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and there's 4 screws. There's a screw right there. There's a screw right there. Then we have a screw right there. Then we have a screw right there. So, first, you have to get these screws. And then we're going to go diagonal. And you don't really need to hold it because it already has something holding it. Gotta be careful with these little screws. By the way, guys, I have been posting a lot of videos. Make sure to go and check out that arcade video. Really good filming in that video. So then what you want to do, once you have the screws out and the thing is wiggling around, you're going to see 2 plugs. There should be like a little microscopic blue wire that runs into the drive. Then there should be like this little colorful one right here that goes into it as well. What you're going to do is just unplug them. So once you have the blue one unplugged, then you unplug this one. Okay, once you have that, you're going to gently pull it out. Then that right there is your whole drive. And those right there are the plugs. Actually gonna zoom in some. So yep, those are the plugs. These hard drives are not good. You can get a replacement hard drive, and I will link one in the description below of the one that you need to get for replacing, because they do make them better than these. They are going to cost you about $60 to $70 for the one that I'm looking at on Amazon. This is way better than this. It is a 1 terabyte, and then there's also a 2 terabyte. This one right here is a Seagate hard drive. Now these ones right here are not the best hard drives. This right here is most likely what's causing it to be glitchy. Now I have my other PC set up right over here. And as you guys can see, this one right here is an HP. This one right here is a Dell. To be exact, this is the Dell Inspiron. But yeah, so I have my hard drive hooked up. Now this one right here, it does not need a replacement drive yet because this thing is pretty fast. As you guys can see, pretty darn fast. So, yep. Yeah, so that's my whole PC setup right there. And this one right here is a Windows Vista. This one right here is a Windows 7. And then that's where I have everything hooked up to the monitor. But yeah, so this one right here is just to play games. So I just plug this drive into this. Doesn't really need a drive because that computer right there is the same exact drive as this. And it's still running fast, but that's just because it doesn't have that much wear on it. Now I'm going to show you guys the drive right here, and I'll also put the link in. So I found it on Amazon. And here's some that I recommend getting. These 2 right here. The Seagate Barracuda. And then these right here, I'd kind of recommend getting either that one right there or that one. But they just wear out faster than those newer ones, which would be the Barracuda and then the SK Hynix Gold SATA. And you do want an SSD internal. You do not want to get that. You really just want it to look like this, and then you want it to say SSD internal drive. And I recommend 2 terabytes, as you can see, so that way you can download like a whole bunch of crap over the years. So yeah, so that right there is how you can take apart that drive. And then for inserting your new drive, you just put it in the little slot here, and as you can see, the screws will line up. Then just finger them in like that. Now this PC does work, but not great. That's the reason why I'm doing operations on it. Now replacing a drive, it will end up costing you a lot of money. Sometimes, depending on like what you want. Like those ones on Amazon, that's about as cheap as they're gonna go, and that's some of the best quality drives for PCs that I just showed you guys. So it's pretty easy. You just pop off the side cover, and then sometimes, like, even if you read cables, it can say like SSD hard drive cable sometimes. And yeah, and I am going to be making another video on the RAM, and we will talk about that, and the gosh, I forgot what it's called. I think the CPU I'm also going to be doing. So, yeah. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. It really helps. And I post just about every single day. So, yeah, I can always keep you guys updated. And this one right here was the Seagate drive. Now, for better quality, you want to get a Seagate SSD or a Western, or a Western Digital. That's what they're called. And yeah. And so another cool thing is to back up. Well, actually, you know what? Nope. We're going to do that in the next video. I'm going to leave you guys hanging till the next video, so that way you guys can't wait. Yep, so you want to make sure that they're all good and tight. And let's just pretend like this one right here is our new one. So you get the same exact cable. No difference in the cable. You pop that on. I think I have it going the wrong way. Sometimes it's the other one. Yep, it's this one. And then you want to grab your blue cable, which is this thing right here. Take it from the back. Put it on that little strip. Like that. And then you just want to go pop it on. So now, once you're all connected, you want to kind of pull on the wires a little bit and make sure that you're connected good. And yep, your drive is in there and ready to go. So then you just hook it up. And another cool thing about replacing those is when you replace it, you get all your space back. So you can literally download like so much more stuff than your old one. And you can even unhook this one and just keep it, and all your saved files will be on that. And then you can also buy a new one, then just put it in, and then you have like another new, basically like whole new storage, like from brand spanking new, never been used before. And yeah, so without being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.